In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add pictures in TikTok comments. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to head over to TikTok app. After that, just search for a video, and once you find one, tap right here to head over to that video's comment section. Here we can see all the comments at that particular video, and the thing is here that we can add pictures as a reply to a particular comment. We cannot just post a picture here. However, we can reply to any comment by hitting right here where it says reply. And after that, here we can enter some text, some emoji, we can mention someone. However, if you would like to add a picture here, you need to tap at that camera button. Then we can use our device's camera to record a short video or take a picture. However, also we can upload one from our camera roll by hitting right here. It will show you your media content on your device's gallery. Here at the top we can filter the content by videos, photos, and here are some more categories. I'm gonna choose photos, and now I'm gonna select some picture. Let it be that one. Then to add this picture, all we have to do is just hit next. Here we can edit it, we can add some filters, we can add some text. Here we can use any of these tools. To continue, hit add next, and then on the next step we can also mention here someone, we can add a location, add some link here, set privacy for that particular comment, and once we are ready to share it, just hit right here at post. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.